The 2027 Bentley Continental GT arrives as a stunning evolution of British Grand Touring, blending timeless elegance with modern performance in a way that feels both luxurious and thrilling from the very first glance. And as you walk around the car, the exterior design immediately commands attention with its sculpted body lines, wide stance, and unmistakable Bentley presence, where the iconic matrix grille is now more refined, flanked by crystal-cut LED headlamps that feature advanced lighting signatures giving the car a jewel-like appearance day or night, while the long hood, flowing roofline, and muscular rear haunches emphasize power and sophistication at the same time, and at the back the redesigned LED taillights, oval exhaust outlets, and subtle aerodynamic elements complete a look that is aggressive yet graceful, making the Continental GT feel just as at home cruising city streets as it does devouring long highways. And under the hood, Bentley continues to deliver breathtaking performance with options expected to include a refined twin-turbocharged V8 and the legendary W12-inspired hybridized powertrain philosophy adapted to meet modern efficiency standards, producing massive horsepower and torque that allow the car to surge forward effortlessly, with acceleration that feels smooth yet brutally fast, launching from 0 to 60 in just a few seconds while maintaining absolute composure, and the advanced all-wheel drive system paired with a lightning-quick dual-clutch transmission ensures perfect traction and seamless gear changes, whether you are driving aggressively or simply enjoying a relaxed grand tour. And what truly sets the 2027 Continental GT apart is how it balances this power with comfort, thanks to adaptive air suspension, intelligent drive modes, and active chassis systems that read the road and adjust in real time to deliver a ride that can be sporty when you want it and incredibly smooth when you don't, making long-distance journeys feel effortless.